Bookflex.
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 Bet on me? You're gonna have to kill me. You can throw a bet on me? You're gonna have to kill me. Get out! Get out of my yard! Let's try quick. I said, get out!
Bookflex. Independent Actors Movement presents Bookflex 2K9, featuring dramatized excerpts from August Wilson's Fences and poems such as Richard Cory and Carpenter's Complaint.
Question the characters, win small prizes, get to the edge for your 2009 CXC CSEC Literature exam.
Playing at St. Andrew High School AV Center, 12 to 3 p.m. every Saturday in March. Or get your teacher to call us and we'll come to your school.
Call 820-9749 or 820-9754. Bookflex 2K9.
Think, analyze, discuss.
Sponsored by Churches Co-op Credit Union and Burger King.